Good morning, students. So today we are going to complete our chapter number 11, that is positive attitude, whose values was be hopeful. So already I explained what is a hope. Hope is the expectation of a bright future and a spark of life that helps us in increasing our possibilities and breaking our limitations. In the last class, we have completed the story. Today we are going to finish our moral of the story. So the moral of the story was hope is the hint of a bright future. So what is a hope? Hope is the hint of a bright future. So my dear students, we must keep hope in our life, and this hope help us in feeding our success. Hope can make us to cross any hurdles of life. Therefore, we should rule our heart by having hope, which will help in ruling the kingdom of our life. We must keep our head raised towards the vast sky of hope, so there may be limitless possibilities. Hope can be passive in any active plan or idea. Hope is also an emotional state which promotes the belief in positive outcomes. In the opposite, despair is a feeling where people think that they will definitely get what they want. The event will turn out of their best. It is an act of looking forward with a desire and a reasonable confidence. My dear students, hope is a powerful and spiritual lesson. It can be learned with practice. Hope is the basic ingredient of optimism and a tendency to dwell on the best possibilities. So, hope is supported by three qualities. First is patience. Patience helps a person to tolerate delays and allows events to unfold in their time. Courage provides us the strength to face the unknown, and persistence or determination help in having a hope when we say that we will be well and we mean it. There is a beautiful Chinese saying, if you have been green through in your heart, surely the bird will come. If we have hope, we can surely expect the best to happen. So my dear student, practice some imaginary exercise that will help you to formate the hope. Now we will see the question answer of this chapter. So first question, what do you understand by hope? So this answer is given on page 65. So starting with the first line of the chapter, hope is the expectation of a bright future and a spark of life. It is a feeling whereby you think of expanding your possibilities without worrying about the limitation that block our way. It is a motivating push. Some line more you have to add. It is given on page 67. It is given here. Hope augments your positive qualities and suppress your negative ones. So always be hopeful in your life. Then only attain will success. Next, question second. What are the characteristics of the hopeful person? So this answer is again given on page 65. So here it is given. First paragraph, fourth line, last word. A hopeful person believes in himself and his action, and this helps him to succeed in life. Thus, he keeps the flame of hope alive in himself all the time. This is answer number second. Third answer. What is the moral of the story? Grandpa Diary. So it is given here. Hope is the hint of a bright future. This is your answer number third. Fourth, what are the qualities that support hope? So this is answer number here. It is given on page 67. Hope is supported by three qualities: patience, which enable a person to tolerate delays and allows event to unfold in their own time. Second, courage, which provides strength to face the unknown. Third, persistence or determination to keep on ongoing matter. No matter what happens, when we have hope, we say that all will be well and we mean it. This is our answer number fourth. Next exercise B, write yes or no. Hope is a motivating push that releases you from bondage. Yes. First answer is yes. Second, a hopeful person never believes in himself and his action. No. Always keep your plant of hope alive. Yes. Hope is as same as despair. Yes. Hope is same as despair. This answer is no. Fifth, hope is a positive and a powerful spiritual lesson. So yes, this answer is true. C exercise. Hope is an unseen companion with whom you can cross any hurdle of life. Explain. So this answer is given on page 67. So you will write from here. Starting from here, first para, first line, this para, all, so children, so starting from always keep your plant of hope alive. It will feed you with success in the future. Hope is that unseen companion with whom you can cross any hurdle of life. Therefore, always allow hope to rule your heart and you will rule the kingdom of your life. Therefore, keep your head raised towards the vast sky of hope, as there are limitless possibilities. So this is your answer number C. D, hope is the opposite of despair. Do you agree with the statement? Give reason for your answer. So this answer is again given on page 67. So starting second para, hope can be passive in the form of wish or active as a plan of an idea. Often against popular belief, hope is an emotional state which promotes their belief in positive outcome related to events and circumstances in one's life. It is the opposite of despair. It is a feeling that I will definitely get what I want. The event will turn out for the best. It is an act of looking forward with a desire and reasonable confidence. So this is answer number D. So here your chapter number 11 is completed. And chapter number 12 we will continue in the next classes. It will be in January. Till then, you from next period onwards, from next week onwards, we will start the science, 2 periods of science each day. Okay.